Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. And for this video, we're going to talk about the operations on sets. Our targets in this video is first, we have to define the union and intersection of sets. Then give the union and intersection of sets. And lastly, find the difference and complement of two sets. Pero, recall muna natin yung mga napag-usapan natin sa last na video. How many subsets do these sets have? So we have set A, elements red, blue, and yellow. So, ilan daw ang subsets niyan? To get the subset, you have to use the formula 2 to the n or 2 raised to n, where n is the cardinality of the set. So, kapag cardinality ang hinahanap, we're going to count the elements. So, we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 elements here. Therefore, yung n na to, papalitan natin ng 3. Magiging 2 raised to the 3 or raised to the third power. So, ang ibig sabihin yung 3 na yan dyan, you're going to multiply 2 3 times to itself. So, magiging 2 times 2 times 2. And what is 2 times 2 times 2? The answer is 8. Therefore, there are 8 subsets in set A. How about set B with the elements 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9? Again, let's use the formula 2 raised to the n. Then let's count the elements. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 elements, so this n right here, we're going to change it to 5. So we will have 2 to the 5th power, or 2 raised to the 5. So this 5 right here, meaning you have to multiply 2 5 times sa sarili niya. So we will have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And the answer here is 32. There are 32 subsets in set B. Now, let us list all the subsets of set A. So, in set A natin, we have red, blue, and yellow. Alam naman natin kanina, na-solve na natin na ang bilang ng subsets ng set A is 8. So, lista natin lahat ng 8. In listing the subsets, unang-una nyong ilalagay lagi is the null set or the empty set para hindi nyo makalimutan. Then, yung mga susunod na subsets, yung mga subsets na kung saan ang laman niya yung tigi-isang elements. So, sulat na natin si subset na may element na red. Then, we have blue. Then, yung subset na merong yellow. After nyo maisulat lahat ng tigi-isang elements, isulat nyo naman yung subsets na merong tigda-dalawang element. So, we have red and blue. Next, we have red and yellow. And lastly, we have yellow and blue. And, don't forget, ilan na ba yan? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 subsets pa lang ang meron tayo. Pero ang kailangan natin ay 8. So, may kulang pa na isang subset. So, ano yung subset na yon? Tandaan nyo, a set is always a subset of itself. So, yung sarili niya, yung subset niya. So, yung natitirang isang subset na hinahanap natin is yung sarili niya. Red, blue, and yellow. Now that we are done, let us discuss intersection. The intersection of sets A and B, or it is written as this. It is the set containing the elements that are common in both A and B. Example, we have set A with the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And set B, we have the elements 2, 4, and 6. To get the intersection of set A and B, we have to get the common elements in both A and B. When we say common, yung pareho sa kanila. So, ano ba yung pareho kay set A at saka set B? Okay, so both of the sets have the elements 2 and 4. Therefore, the intersection of A and B is 2 and 4. So, when we are writing the intersection, para rin tayo nagsusulat ng set, you have to enclose it by open and close braces. And then, separate the elements by a comma. And para mas matandaan ninyo yung symbol for intersection, so we have here the symbol. Ayan. It looks like N. And it sounds like end. Okay, so intersection, the symbol looks like N, sounds like end. Next is what we call the union. When we say the union of sets A and B, or it is written as this symbol, it is the set of all elements that are in A, or in B, or both in A and B. So we're going to use the same sets na ginamit natin dun sa nauna. So we have A with the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and B, we have 2, 4, and 6. So to get the union, you just have to combine all the elements in A or in B, or yung pwedeng nasa both A and B. But, kapag pareho siyang nasa A and B, kailangan isang beses mo lang isusulat yung element. So, what is the union of set A and B? So, the union of set A and B is we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, mapapansin ninyo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is here in set A. We have it here. Then, we have 2, 4, and 6. So, si 2 and 4, isang beses lang na isulat dito sa union. Then, si 6 na isama na lang. Kasi, pinagsama nga natin yung set A and set B. Now, take a look at the symbol for union. So, union looks like U and it stands for union. So, huwag kayong malilito. Pag sinabi nating intersection, yung common lang. Pag sinabi naman nating union, yung pinagsama-sama. And hindi naman din siguro kayo malilito sa symbol kasi pag intersection, parang letter N. Pag union naman, parang letter U. Before we move on, let us try this. A with elements 2, 3, 4, 5, and B with elements 1, 3, and 5. What is A intersection B? Again, to get the intersection of the two sets, you have to get the common elements. So, what are the common elements between the two sets? We have 3 and 5. Therefore, the intersection of set A and set B is 3 and 5. Don't forget to enclose it by open and close braces and separate the two elements by a comma. How about A union B? So to get the union, you have to get all the elements of set A and B. And for the common element, you just have to write it once. So the elements that we are going to write in A union B is, or are, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then on the other side, 1, 3, 5. So A union B, we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with open and closed braces and the commas separating them. Next, intersection or union. We have ABC blank DEF. Then the result is ABCDEF. So what do you think is that? Intersection or union? So dahil pinagsama lang yung first set na ABC doon sa second set na DEF, ang sagot natin is union. How about 2, 4, 6, blank, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the result we have 2, 4. Is that intersection or union? Okay, so ang natira lang din sa kabila is the common element or common elements. So that is an intersection. How about this? We have AEIOU blank BCDF and the result is a null set. Intersection or union? This is a intersection. Dahil sa first set, we have AEIOU, wala siyang similarity doon sa kabilang set which is BCDF. Kaya yung resulting set natin is a null set or an empty set. So wala siyang kapareho, kaya intersection. How about this? The last one. So we have 2, 3, 5, 7, blank 4, 6, 8, 9. Then the resulting set, we have 2, 3, 4, 6, or sorry, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So is that an intersection or a union? Okay, this one is a union. Pinagsama lang yung unang set doon sa second set. Now that we're done with the intersection and union, let us now continue with the difference. The difference of sets B from A, or it is written as this, A minus B, is the set of all elements that are in A but not in B. Example. So, same sets pa rin. A is the set of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and B we have 2, 4, and 6. Take a look at these sets. Ano ang meron kay A na wala kay B? Ulit, ano ang meron kay A na wala kay B? So, we have 1, 3, and 5. Kasi si 2 at 4, makikita natin siya kay set B. Therefore, A minus B is 1, 3, and 5. Gets ba? Okay, let's have another example. Same sets pa rin. Set A, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B, we have 2, 4, 6. But now, we're going to get B minus A. So, B minus A. Anong meron kay B na wala naman kay A? So, ang meron kay B na wala kay A ay 6. Therefore, B minus A is equal to 6. Let's continue. The complement of set A, or it is denoted by this symbol, it is read as A prime, is the set of elements that are in the universal set but not in set A. I'll give you an example para mas malinaw. So, we have here the universal set, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 ang kanyang elements. Then, we have here set A, we have 3, 5, yung elements niya. And then, we have here set B, 1, 3, 9 ang elements. Now, let us find the A prime or the set of elements na wala kay A pero nasa universal set. So, Tingnan natin yung universal set. Ayan, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Then, take a look at set A. Ano yung meron sa universal set na wala kay set A? So, we have 1, 7, and 9. Yung 3, 5, makikita natin kay set A. So, therefore, our A prime is 1, 7, and 9. Gets ba? Let's have another. How about B prime? So, B prime naman, lahat ng elements na wala kay B, pero nasa universal set. Tingin ulit sa universal set, we have 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Then, tingin naman kay set B, we have 1, 3, and 9. Ano-ano yung mga elements na nakay set U or universal set na wala kay set B? So, we have 5 and 7. Therefore, B prime is 5 and 7. So, pag magsusulat ng complement, ganun pa rin. May open and close braces and meron ding commas na naghihiwalay doon sa ating mga elements. Now that we're done with the difference and complements of sets, let us try this. So we have the given universal set with elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have set A, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And set B, we have 1, 2, 5, 7, and 8. Let us find A minus B. So, to find A minus B, kailangan nating hanapin lahat ng elements na meron kay A, pero wala kay B. So, ano ba yung mga elements na meron kay A, pero wala kay B? So, we have the elements 3 and 4. Wala dito kay set B. Therefore, the elements of A minus B is 3 and 4. How about B minus A? So, we're going to find the elements na kay B, pero wala kay A. So, ano ba yung meron kay B na wala kay A? So, we have 1, we have 7, and we also have 8. Therefore, B minus A is 1, 7, and 8. Next, we have U minus A. So, lahat ng elements ni set U or ni universal set na wala kay set A. So, we have the element 1, the element 6, element 7, element 8, 9, and 10. So, lahat ng yan, yung 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, lahat yan wala kay set A. Kasi ito lang yung set A natin. Therefore, U minus A is 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Next, let's have B prime or lahat ng wala kay set B pero nasa universal set. So, lahat ng wala kay set B, we have 3, we have 4, we have 6, we have 9, and 10. So, lahat ng yan, wala kay set B, pero nasa universal set. That is our B prime. 3, 4, 6, 9, and 10. Next, we have U minus B. So, lahat ng meron kay set U na wala kay set B. We have 3, we have 4, we have 6, 9, and 10. So U minus B is 3, 4, 6, 9, and 10. So as you can see, there is a similarity between B prime and U minus B. So, pag sinabi nating B prime, para din siyang U minus B. Lastly, we have A prime. So, lahat ng wala kay set A, pero nasa universal set. So, ano-ano yon? We have 1. We have 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Therefore, our A prime is 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, take a look at the similarities ulit. So, U minus A have 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 as the elements. So, same siya kay A prime, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Therefore, U minus A is also equal to A prime kasi yung A prime, lahat ng wala kay A na nasa universal set. Same meaning dito kay universal set minus A. Before we end this video, let us have a recap. The intersection of set A, written as A intersection B, is the set containing the elements that are common in both A and B. So the symbol for intersection looks like N, sounds like AND. The union of sets A and B naman, written as A union B, is the set of all elements that are in A or in B, or both in A and B. And the symbol for union looks like U and stands for union. The difference of set B from A, written as A minus B, is the set of elements that are in A but not in B. And lastly, we have the complement. The complement of set A, denoted by A prime, is the set of elements that are in the universal set but not in set A. Thank you for watching. That's it for this video. If you learned something here, don't forget to like and subscribe to Cup of Teach. See you on the next lesson. Bye!